Hey guys, welcome back to Tigrinya Tuesday. I'm Semret.
And I'm Robil.
And we're going to talk about fruits and vegetable. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah.
Owa.
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 Owa. So if you guys are new, please like, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment, whatever you want to see next time. Well, for him to learn in Tigrinya. So let's get into it. All right, you guys, so these are gonna be just some common phrases that Robil has not learned it yet, and we haven't mentioned on Tigrinya Tuesday yet, so you're ready to...
Some beginner phrases,
Some
right?
very beginner phrases.
That's okay, I'm a beginner.
Yeah, I mean, that's how you learn a language.
Yeah.
Nobody's perfect.
Well.
I mean, except me. Just kidding. You ready?
Sounds good.
Yes, harai.
Harai.
No, MB.
MB.
Hello, salam,
Salam.
or keme,
Kame.
that as well. Thank you, yakanele.
Ya anyele.
Please, bejahi,
Bejahi.
or bejaha for a guy.
Bejaha.
Or
Or
bejahi. You're welcome. is-
Bejaha. Bejahi.
Yes, perfect.
Bejahi.
Bejahi, Delina. Yes. You're welcome is ganzab ki or ganzab ka.
Okay, so gezabki.
Yes, and ganzab ka.
Okay.
Goodbye is dahan kunu.
Dehan.
Kunu. So dahan kunu is for more than one person.
Oh.
Dahan kun is for a guy. Dahan kuni
Ah.
is for a girl.
Dahan kuni.
Yes, dahan kun.
And dahan kunun.
Yes, dahan
Dahan
kunu.
kunun.
Dahan kunu.
Dahan kunu.
Yes.
Dahan kuni.
Kuni. Dahan kun.
kuna.
Kun.
Oh, kun. Sorry.
That's okay.
What about chow?
Chow is the same thing. You can say chow, but proper way of saying it in Tigrinya. Dahan kunu.
Kunu.
Yeah.
Dahan kuni.
Yes.
Dahan kun.
Yes. Very good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ya anyele.
I'm sorry. Aitahazale
Aitahazale.
would be for a male. Aitahazale would be for female.
That's the same thing.
It's not the same thing. Stop arguing.
Aitahazale.
Yes, thank you.
And
Aitahazale.
And aitahazale.
Yes,
Okay.
thank you.
You mean ya anyele.
Yes.
Oh.
Excuse me is ziqreta.
Ya arata.
Yes, ziqreta.
Ya arata. Ya arata.
I don't understand is aiterda anin.
Aterada
Anin.
anin. Aterada anin.
I said, yeah, ziqreta. You can say, for example, ziqreta, I'm sorry, aiterda anin, right?
Well,
if you don't understand,
ya arata means excuse me.
I'm sorry, I don't understand. Right?
Aita azale.
Aitahazale, aiterda anin.
Aterada anin.
Anin. Yep.
Aterada anin. Aterada anin.
Go with before. So the next is how much is it? Izi kinde EU.
Ize kinde EU. Izi
kinde
Ize kinde EU.
EU. How much is this?
Ize kinde EU.
Izi a qirshi iya.
What did you say?
I say this is $1.
That's it?
That's it.
It's not bad. Not bad.
How much kinde?
How much?
Kinde.
Kinde.
Kinde. Where are they?
Abe.
Are they?
How about when?
When is ma'as?
Ma'as. Ma'as.
Ma'as. Where are they? Why? Selementai.
Selementai.
Yeah.
For why? Selementai.
Who? Men.
Men, that's easy.
Yes. What? Entai.
Entai.
Yeah.
For what?
Yeah. Which? Ayanai.
INI. Which INI?
Yeah. How? Kame.
Keme. So that's kind of like saying like, how are you? Keme. Right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. So
So it's the same
if
as
he
greeting,
says-
the same as salam. Kame is like, how are you?
Yeah.
Yeah. What is tahando?
Dahando means like, what's up?
Tahando. Tahando.
Dahando?
Tahando.
Hey, what's up?
Tahando. Tahando.
All right, you guys. So next we're gonna do fruits and vegetable.
Okay.
You excited?
Harai.
All right. That's good. Banana is banana.
That's easy. Banana.
Banana, yeah.
Banana.
Bean is
Wait, what is it? Banana.
banana.
Okay.
Beans is baldonga.
Baldonga.
Cabbage, kaulo. Kaulo.
Kaulo. Kaulo.
Carrot is karoti.
Karoti.
Yeah. Cauliflower. I can't. Cauliflower. Kaulo fiore.
Fiore is the same in Italian. Flower.
Oh, is it?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Caulo. Caulo fiori.
Kaulo fiore.
Caulo fiori. Hold on.
Yes.
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower. Fruit. Fruta.
Fruta.
Yes. Garlic. Ta'ada. Shugurti.
Zaada shugurti. Zaada shugurti.
Grape. Waini.
Waini.
That's pretty, right? Waini.
Waini.
Lemon. Lomin.
Lomin. Lomin.
Yes. Mango. Mango.
Do we have mango?
Yep. Mango.
Mango.
Yes.
Mango.
Onion. Shugurti.
Shugurti. So hold on.
Saada.
Zaada shugurti and shugurti. So that's
It's different.
white onion
Yes, an
and
onion. Orange.
Yeah.
Aranchi.
Aranchi. Aranchi.
Pepper. Good.
Pepper.
Like, you know, those spicy.
Gu.
Good.
Gu. Gu. Am I saying that right?
Yeah, good.
Gu. Gu.
Potato.
Potato.
Dinish.
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 Salad. Salata.
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 Salata. We have salata.
This is perfect. Strawberry. Fragola.
Fragola.
We don't have strawberry, but yeah.
Fragola is the same as in Italian.
Oh, okay.
So I think it's
It's Italian
Yeah.
word, yeah. Honestly, I didn't know that before, so it's new to me. Just, I'm learning.
I'm
also.
glad I can teach you something.
Thank you. Yes. Tomato. Comidere, sorry.
Is it call me daddy?
Comidere.
Call me dad. Call me daddy?
No.
Wait. Call me. Call me daddy. Call me daddy.
What did you say?
I said call me daddy.
Okay.
Call me daddy.
Comidere, yes, not call me daddy.
Call me. Call me daddy. Call me. Hey.
You comidere.
Call me daddy. Okay. Good. Thank
Good.
you.
Thank you.
Yeah, Aniele.
So that is our fruit and vegetable.
All right.
What do you think? How was that?
I like some of them are easy, like banana and mango
Yeah. Of course.
and fruta.
And fruta.
Salam.
Salam.
Kame.
كم امتحنت؟
Oa. Supo. Supo.
Super.
Ala kumdo shagurti.
Oh,
Abe.
yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Sugar.
Hindi. Ala kumdo haule fiore.
Oh,
That's okay. It's good. Ala kumdo banana.
oh.
Kilite?
Oh,
Okay. Kilite.
good.
Ala kumdo dinesh.
Dinesh.
Ya Aniele.
Ganzaka.
Ala kumdo insalata.
Salad.
Salata. Thank you. Ala kumdo aranchi.
Aranchi. Oh, yeah.
Ya Aniele.
Ganzaka. كله دالي خيو؟
Yegreta teradan anen.
Oh, كله دالي خيو؟
Owa. Owa.
No problem. هذا.
Ya Aniele.
ganzabka.
Kinde.
عصرت قرشي.
Ane?
أوه.
Silamantai.
وا.
Pejahe.
Veggies. أنا خفللك.
Pejahe.
Veggies. Okay, Harai, no problem.
Oh,
Harai.
thank you.
Your daddy is cheap.
So you just agreed to pay for it for me.
Alright guys, we are all done. I hope you enjoyed this Tigrinya Tuesday. Did you have fun?
Yes?
Yes.
Oh.
So till next time, we're gonna finish it up here. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe, leave us a comment or idea you want us to bring you to the channel. Otherwise, we'll see you next Tuesday.
Dehan kunu.
Dahan kunu.
Dehan kunu. Ciao.
Ciao.